until you're not gonna see no more makeup. You don't have to scrub or anything. You just go like this and it will wash off all the makeup. And the most important thing, it's so important, all those makeup artists, they know that they have to clean up their brushes, because if not, they start getting acne. This is why it's so important to wash your brushes and your sponges, because if not, you will get acne. You're gonna start breaking out. That's why it's so important. I have a brand new sponge. No more makeup's coming out. Look at this. And voila, a brand new sponge. I just have so much fun doing this. Look at this. Super quickly.